哥们 What is this? 发生了什么 25K OMG, what a weekend! 非常激动，非常波动的一个周末 Wow, Let's try and explain what is going on with the虚拟货币，哥们 But first, let me just 装逼一下，我要装逼一下，让我一下。Over the weekend was very scary. We had Silicon Valley Bank collapse and everybody was scared. Bitcoin went to 20K. Oh no, sell, sell, sell. Everybody's selling. 但是给力哥呢？我不买了。I decided to buy. And as you can see in the VIP trend in Haogeli Jiawi Drun Discord, bullish 今天买了一些 calls. And that was on Sunday. And some of my calls are up nearly 300%. I'm going to blur some of this out because it's too much information for you, German. Also, 我的装逼还没完呢。If we look in the 盈利装逼区, we can see that many German are Yingling and Drung being, and me too. This is my long here. I opened at 20K, closed too early, but still, it's a fantastic weekend. We're all getting rich. So, 咱们分析一下，哥们，咱们分析一下为什么比特币涨了这么厉害呢？ It's incredible. I'm so happy. I'm just so 激动了 right now. This is also a sign to sell, 哥们. If you are very excited about your gains and you start sharing screenshots with your friends or your gumman, then that shows that you probably should sell because you're getting very 激动, getting very emotional. Okay, you need to 冷静一下，做一个冷男人 and be rational. 那么咱们继续分析一下 an incredible move, gumman, from the bottom to the current price 25% and to the top 30%. This move is similar to the move in early January where we pumped from 17K all the way up to 20K, right? 25%. But this move was even quicker. So this move happened in 2 days. And it was a Sunday, it was a weekend. So this move was incredibly hard to catch because you had no time, no dips. And that's why it's very painful to watch this move if you're not positioned in the market. If you're in dollars, 你用美元，然后你看看市场非常困难，非常痛苦。There's no dips to buy. 所以大部分的哥们还是没有 catch this move. They didn't catch the move. So most people are on the sidelines thinking, oh my god, should I buy? 那么这里最重要的事情就是 range trading, the fan way. We've been trading in this range, 哥们, okay? In this range where the bottom was 20K, that's the support level of the range, and the top was 25K, okay? This is on the daily chart. This is the range we've been trading for the last 2 months almost, okay? Now, what we just did was we just broke out of the range. Then 25K becomes support. It becomes 支撑, okay, support. And then we enter a whole new range, okay? It's a whole new range, a whole new world. We get our resistance level here, which is basically 30K. So we get a new range level here, 25 to 30K. And I believe that's where we're headed. And indeed, we've already hit 26K. We're currently fighting around the support level of 25K because 25K was resistance and now it has become support. It's a whole new world. It's a whole new range. A whole new world. Okay, so if we're waiting for a pullback to buy in, the levels that look obvious to me would be these levels here, these resistance levels around 23K, 23,500, okay? So if we trade around 25K, consolidate, and then we have a pullback, this is where I would look to buy in if you want to go long. Okay, 那么另外一个问题来了，哥们，为什么比特币狂涨了这几天，但是美股，咱们看看美股 SPX, look at this. Look at 美股 is still below 4,000. This is interesting. Why? Well, 咱们看看 Chandler Guo 哥 who is a famous Chinese crypto guy, and he had a tweet which really sums it up beautifully. 我用我标准中文朗读一下，听听。 Oh fuck, I don't know how to say that. I can't say that word. What is it? Yeah, 硅谷银行的倒下，乍一看是超级利空，仔细想想，发觉其实是巨大的利好。特别是对美国科技股和比特币，因为美联储终于有了停止加息、停止缩表，甚至于开始降息的理由。And if I can just explain in English for you, 哥们 crypto is the most sensitive asset to central bank policy. When the 美联储改变, when they change their policy, that affects crypto first, and it affects crypto the most. Because basically, remember, crypto is a bet on central banks failing, on 银钱, on 通货膨胀, on 货币失败. It's a bet on currencies dying. And who kills currencies? Central banks. So when they saved the 硅谷银行, when they saved Silicon Valley Bank, that's basically printing money. It's monetary easing. So after they announced the bailout, you saw the DXY fall. And that is good for hard assets and risk assets, okay? Risk assets like crypto and hard assets like crypto that have a fixed supply and can't be printed. So that's why if you're looking for a pullback in the price, 你要看 Jerome Powell 大大什么时候发言 because Powell 大大是世界上最厉害、最有潜力的男人。If he says something like 我们还要加息，我们还要加到50个 basis points next week, that's bearish. The price will fall if he says something like that. Or if he just says something very strong like inflation 第一，通货膨胀第一，我不 care 别的，我们还是要加息 blah 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 blah. That's also bearish. That will bring down the price. 但我个人觉得Powell大大已经暴露了他的弱点。你想想，哥们 ，at the first sign of weakness in the banking system, oh, a Silicon Valley bank has a bank run. Oh no, quick, print, lots of money, save everyone. Pathetic. 美元就是一个shitcoin, okay? They just print whenever there's a problem. I don't want to buy that, okay? I prefer 虚拟货币 shitcoins. 最后我们要聊的是 CZ 哥赵哥 of Binance because he is a legend and he is buying $1 billion worth of BTC, BNB and ETH. And now this is very, very bullish because that's net buying. So it's $1 billion going into these three assets, but it's more than $1 billion because people like me are front running CZ, okay? He announces it and then the market participants, the traders, we buy. There'll easily be more than $1 billion worth of buying power because of this announcement. It's similar to the time when Do Kwon announced that he was buying $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. If you remember, Gurman, when he announced that, the BTC price went up and we pumped quite a lot. But then, when he announced that he's finished buying, the price went down. So this is a double-edged sword, okay? When CZ announces that we're finished buying, the price of BNB especially will probably go down because people like me will close their longs. So this is an interesting event to trade. Personally, right now, I'm long BNB. You want to see, Gurman? I'll show you. Yeah, this is my BNB long here. If we look at the BNB BUSD volume and we open the volume indicator, so there's not enough volume here to suggest that CZ has started buying. So in my opinion, he hasn't started buying yet. And so if that's right, it's still a good place to long. And then when he starts buying, more people long, price goes up, and that's when I will look to take a profit. On this trade, I would want to take a profit before CZ tweets and says, we're finished, okay? Finished buying, my wanla. Okay, I don't want to hold any BNB when he does that, okay? And why am I buying BNB? Because it's a smaller asset compared to BTC and ETH, so the logic is it can go up more, okay? More volatile. But there's not financial advice, Gurman. Don't copy trade me. I'm an idiot, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a degen. So not financial advice, just an idea. Not financial advice. OK， 加入一下好给力交易尊，下面有 Discord 连接， 完全免费。但如果你想加入 VIP 圈，你要注册 BitGet 一个账号。入金至少$666 ，and then you can join. And I'll see you inside, 哥们。